Hi, my name is Dickie. Today we have developed a nutrition and delicious recipe for a broiled fish and sesame cashew slash, including detailed lists of ingredients, step-by-step cooking instruction. We explore into correlation between using healthy food products and to build an online business and have an impact on both physical and mental health. We also discuss how to incorporate healthy products and on business can only benefit to individual physical but also mentally, promoting a positive mindset and overall well-being. By promoting and selling the product that support mental well-being, online business can also help customers to achieve more positive mindset and overall sense of well-being. This focus on the health can also lead to financial success and contribute to a healthy lifestyle and consumer. And now Linda will be doing the presentation. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Linda. Today we have developed a healthy, nutritious, and delicious recipe for broiled fish with sesame cashew slaw, including a detailed list of ingredients and step-by-step cooking instructions. Consider incorporating information about the health benefits of the ingredients used, such as omega-3 fatty acids in the fish and the nutritional value of the sesame and cashew slaw. Ensure that the recipe is easy to follow for both experienced and novice cooks, and provide tips for customization or substitutions based on dietary preferences or restrictions. Let us prepare the ingredient list. For fillets of white fish, such as cod, tilapia, or halibut, a 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 cloves, minced, 1 teaspoon grated, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, juice of 1 lime, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup cabbage, half a cup shredded carrots, a 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 1/4 chopped cashews, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon soy. Let's start cooking. 1. Preheat your broiler to high. 2. In a small bowl, whisk together soy sauce, honey, garlic, ginger, sesame oil, lime juice, salt, and pepper. Place fish fillets in a shallow dish and pour marinade over them. Let marinate for at least 15 minutes. 3. While the fish is marinating, make the sesame cashew slaw. In a large bowl, combine shredded cabbage, shredded carrots, cilantro, chopped cashews, and sesame seeds. 4. In a separate small bowl, whisk together rice vinegar, honey, and soy sauce. Pour over the slaw and toss to combine. Set aside. 5. Place marinated fish fillets on a baking sheet lined with foil. Broil for 6 to 8 minutes, or until is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. 6. Serve the broiled fish hot, with a generous helping of the sesame cashew slaw on the side. Let's see the demonstration step-by-step the cooking. We can learn from it. Broiled fish with sesame cashew slaw. Get a bowl, add kosher salt, pepper, 7 ground mustard. Add honey, olive oil. With white fish on the plate, pour on top the fishes. Marinate for 10 minutes. Place the fish on the pan and put it into the oven. Apply the sauce over the fish and put it back into the oven. Now prepare sesame cashew slaw, cutting shallots. Add sesame oil and roasted garlic. Add kosher salt and coleslaw mix, and citrus rice vinegar. Add roasted cashews and ready for serving. Add green onions and serving now. we explore the correlation between using healthy food products to build an online business and the impact it has on both physical and mental health. Discuss how incorporating healthy products into a business can not only benefit individuals physically but also mentally by promoting a positive mindset and overall well-being. We provide examples of successful online businesses that have centered around promoting health and how it has positively impacted their customers and the business itself. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards incorporating healthy food products into online businesses. By building a business around promoting and selling healthy food products, entrepreneurs can not only contribute the health of their customers, but also foster a positive mindset and overall well-being. In conclusion, incorporating healthy food products into an online business can have a significant impact on both physical and mental health. By promoting products that support a healthy lifestyle, businesses can help customers improve their diet, mental well-being, and overall sense of well-being. This focus on health can also lead to financial success and contribute to a healthier lifestyle for consumers. One of the key benefits of incorporating healthy food products into an online business is the positive impact it can have on health. A growing body of research has shown that a healthy diet rich in whole foods, fruits, and vegetables can help improve mood, reduce stress, and even lower the risk of mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety. By promoting and selling products that support mental well-being, online businesses can help customers achieve a more positive mindset and overall sense of well-being. Happy learning and cooking for yourself. My mentor Dickie will teach how you can create detailed and appetizing recipes for your loved ones. And do it at home, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your expertise in your home for an online business. For more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com